Hi, my name is Elena, a dietitian with Providence's Diabetes Educator Team. We know a diabetes diagnosis feels overwhelming, but understanding what carbohydrates are and what they do to help manage your energy and blood sugar levels can give you a big advantage. Carbohydrates, or carbs, are nutrients found in foods like bread, rice, fruits, and dairy. When you eat them, your body breaks them down into sugar, which raises your blood sugar levels. There are two types of carbs, simple and complex. Simple carbs, like juice and candy, are quickly absorbed by the body, causing a rapid spike in blood sugar. Complex carbs, like whole grains and beans, are digested more slowly, providing a steady release of energy. Carbs are essential for energy, but the type and amount you eat matter. We know this information can be a lot to absorb, but remember, you don't have to do it alone. We're here to support you every step of the way. If you are interested in working with a dietitian at Providence to learn more about how to manage your diabetes, make healthy nutrition changes, and how exercise and medications can help manage your blood sugar, let your primary care provider know. They can send a referral to the Diabetes and Nutrition Education Team. We have dietitians who specialize in diabetes in Providence Family Medicine clinics all over the region to accommodate you.